Hello everybody and welcome to the free Cryptid UK online crypto course. Now, I want to start off this video by telling you exactly what you're about to learn in the next coming series. It's going to be a long series, so there's going to be a lot of content for you to take in and digest. But all the videos will be uploaded for free on the Cryptid UK YouTube channel. So anything you miss, or if you want to go back and revise, then you're more than welcome to subscribe to the channel and view the videos from there. And that will be the main place for you to view all this information. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Cryptid. So I started the company officially at the start of this year. I've been working on content for over 6 months now, but we actually registered our business with the company house, the UK Gov, in January. So I will put all the papers, the official documents on the website for you to view, just for a bit of trust really. Even though all these videos are going to be free and all the content's going to be free, it just makes you more secure with your knowing that you're in safe hands. So let's get into a bit about what you're going to learn. So this is the website. It's under construction at the minute. It's not actually live, but I will be making this live, and I've got a members portal that you'll be able to log into, track your progress. There'll be a notepad on there for you to write notes about the course, or and also a trading journal for you to track your progress along with your trades, which is a very important aspect of trading, is to actually journal what you're doing, what trades you're taking, your wins, your losses, your overall profit loss. It's very good to keep track of that and learn from that going forward. So in the first section of the cryptocurrency course, we'll be learning what exactly is cryptocurrency. That will be our first section, and I think there's overall about 10 different parts within this first section. I would say about 10 parts in each section really, but yeah, about 10 parts in the first section, and that's going to be everything you need to know about what the actual hell is cryptocurrency and what it's used for, the technology behind it, because that is very important to understand when it comes to crypto, is exactly what technology is driving it, and where the future is heading for cryptocurrency itself. So that's going to be quite an extensive topic that we'll go through. It might not be the most interesting. I know you guys will be wanting to get right into trading straight away, but it's very important that you understand the fundamentals and the basics of exactly what everything is before you go dive in straight into it, because the last thing I want you to do is jump straight into it with no clue actually what it is, what the history is behind it, and end up making vital errors that could cost you money. So that's exactly what I'm here for, to guide you all through the process and to make your lives a lot easier with that. So the next section 2, is we'll be covering the investor's mindset, which is everything you need to know to get into the mind of an investor, because it is a mindset. It's not just a skill set, it's actually a mindset as well. So we'll be covering everything you need to know to tune your mind into trading, because you have to be dialed into these markets 100% of the time, because it's a 24/7 market. Unlike the foreign exchange market, where it closes on a Friday and opens on a Sunday night, cryptocurrency is 24/7, so it never sleeps. it doesn't mean that you have to stay up with your eyeballs glued to the charts all the time. That's not the case at all, because cryptocurrency investing is mainly about the long-term picture rather than the minuscule movements, because it's one of the most volatile assets out there currently, and one of the most volatile assets financial markets have ever seen. So it's important to understand the exact mindset that you need to be in and the psychological aspects of cryptocurrency, because without this you could end up losing a lot of money. So it's important that you actually pay close attention and thoroughly study this section. The next section will be all about chart work. So that's actually when it finally starts to get really interesting, when we start actually really diving into the actual aspects of charts, how to set up your charts, how to read charts, how to actually gauge positions and entry points, Fibonacci sequences. There'll be a lot of information that you need to pay attention to in this section as well, particularly with charts, because price analysis is one of the most important aspects of cryptocurrency as well. So together with the investor's mindset, these two will be able to actually push you forward with your trading journey. And it took me a lot of years to actually fully understand the fundamental side of cryptocurrency and the technical analysis side. I come from a foreign exchange trading background, so that kind of eased me into it a bit, because I already had a technical understanding of how charts work and how price action correlates to the charts. And we'll be learning everything about candlesticks, Japanese candlesticks, candlestick patterns, support and resistance. So there is a lot to take in, and a lot of this will sound completely foreign to you at the minute, but have no fear, because I will go through everything step by step, making sure that you understand every single aspect. Now, if there is anything, while I'm going through these videos, if there is anything that you do not understand or you want extra help with, then feel free to leave a comment under the video, or personally contact me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, or just any social platform, and I will be willing to answer all your questions. And I'll be able to, even if you have Discord, that will be a great help, because what we can do with Discord is actual screen share. So you'll be able to see exactly what's on my screen. I'll be able to see exactly what's on your screen, and we can go through the chart work together if you need further assistance, which is a pretty important thing to have, rather than me just spewing a load of information at you. It's actually good for you to be able to contact me directly and on a personal level, because I am an approachable person that I'll be willing to answer any single question you have. Take no notice of the price down here as well, because that's not a thing anymore. It's all being uploaded for free because of a recent mindset switch of my own. I just want to help everybody adopt cryptocurrency and learn about the space, to be honest with you, because it's only a matter of time before everybody is actually using cryptocurrency, whether they know about it or not. Smartphone companies are now implementing cryptocurrency technology into their newest phones. Samsung Galaxy 10 is the latest edition, and they are actually one of the first people, along with HTC, that have cryptocurrency platforms built into the phones, cryptocurrency wallets, to be able to store your digital assets, which is really good for the global adoption too. I really like the idea myself. I think Apple will be the next sort of company, big phone company, to jump on board with that. The next section will be all about buying your first coin. So before before buying your first coin, there's obviously a lot of information to take in before you even enter the market. I believe this is a really vital thing to actually understand everything behind cryptocurrency before you go jumping in to buying your first coin. Some people, some people just get instructed, just basic instructions. But what I'm going to do is go through every minor detail with you and make sure you fully understand, because sending cryptocurrency and receiving cryptocurrency, one small digit wrong in the address and your cryptocurrency is lost forever. That cryptocurrency you tried to send is lost forever because of human error. And blockchain itself is a very secure platform, one of the most secure platforms to actually send currency. So it's very important to know what you're doing when it comes to buying your cryptocurrency. Now, along with that, which goes hand in hand, is protecting your cryptocurrency. Because although cryptocurrency is a very secure platform and it's very, very hard to actually hack and steal, when it's on exchanges and stuff like that, it's actually a lot easier for someone to tap into an exchange's escrow wallets and take your cryptocurrency, which is pretty not good, really. Not good at all. But if you actually understand how to protect your cryptocurrency properly, then you will not have a problem. And I will go through everything you need to know about protecting your cryptocurrency. So that's it, really. That's what we're going to be covering. And also, along with that, I'm going to be doing regular podcasts where you can send me a topic that you need some more clarity on, and I will be happy to go over it and view just general life topics. We'll talk about lifestyle, we'll talk about what's going on in the media, we'll talk about important events, anything that you guys can think of. That's your chance to get in contact with me and say, look, I need help with this, and I will be straight on it. And the podcast will be recorded in the next hour, and you'll have some content to get your teeth into along with the course content. And if there's anything else that I think I've missed during this course, I will go back and add it as bonus content for you to view at your leisure. And obviously the big thing about this course is getting yourself a notepad and a pen. That is the two things, or as well as a laptop. That is the three things that you will need the most. A pen and paper will do you absolute wonders when it comes to actually getting this stuff into your head, because it's a lot of information to take in at the end of the day, and you're not gonna get it in one go. So all of these videos are going to be on YouTube for you to watch at your leisure, along with your notes. That will be perfect for you to go back to if you don't have time to watch the videos or anything like that. So it's just a case of getting your head down with this and going through each individual video in the exact sequence that I'm going to be posting them in, and thoroughly taking notes at every stage, because any vital information that you skip over could be costly. So I want you to fully go through this, and in time you'll have access to a members area on my website, and you'll be able to talk with community members. Anything you would want to help each other with, if one of you is further than someone else and someone else has a question or any problems with the videos, you can always let me know and I will rectify it straight away. So I am here to help you guys. I'm not here for my own selfish gain. This is all off my own back, and I want to give back to the community, because I've been studying this for years now, and I think it's selfish of me to charge anybody for this content. So that's pretty much it for the introduction video. It was just an overall talk of what's going to be happening, what there is to come, what there is to look forward to. If you're really interested in this series and you're ready for the next video, then please subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell to be notified when I upload a video. My Facebook will also be an outlet which I will share the video to. My Twitter page. I won't be posting stuff to Instagram for promotion, because you need 10,000 followers to be able to post links into your story, which is a bit steep if I'm honest with you, but hopefully we'll get there soon, or one day. That's what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming to grow this business into one of the biggest UK crypto news outlets and education outlets, and then go for the worldwide title. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope you're ready to get started. Get yourself a notepad and a pen, and I will see you in the next video.